Hello students, today we are going to start our exercise 13.2. So in first question we have to find the area of parallelogram, and let the first part is given like this. And here the height is given, that is 4.5 centimeter, and the base is 8 centimeter. So we know that 8 centimeter is the base and 4.5 centimeter is the height, and area of parallelogram is base into height, and we know that the base is 8 centimeter and the height is 4.5. So when we multiply 5 8 ja 40, 36.0 centimeter square. So we can say that 36 centimeter square is the area of this parallelogram. Same as it is, we can find the area of other two parts of this question. In second question, we have to find the area of triangle, and let the first part, the triangle is given like this. This is 6.4 centimeter, and from here a perpendicular is given from this corner vertex, and this is 6 centimeter. And yes, we know that the area of triangle is half of base into height, and we know that the base is the line segment on which the perpendicular line is given. So we can say that 6.4 centimeter is the base of the triangle, and this perpendicular line segment is the height. So we can say that here half of base, that is 6.4, into height, that is 6. So here 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, and when we multiply 6.4 with 3, we get 19.2 centimeter square. So this is the area of this triangle. Same as it is, we can find the area of other two triangles. Fine. Now the third question, student, in third question we have to find the area of parallelogram, and in some parts we have to find that height or the base, and on these questions the area is given. So we can do one by one. So we will take an example or a part of question 3. So now here this table is based on area of parallelogram. So we will take an example of second part. So in third question, second part, so third question, second part, here the base is given, which is 20 centimeter, and the area of parallelogram is given, that is 246 centimeter square, and here we have to find the height of the parallelogram. Height, that is h. So we know that the area of parallelogram is base into height. That means here the area is given, which is 246, that is equals to base is 20 into height is h. So we can find the value of h by dividing 246 by 20. So 246 by 20, we will cancel by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 0. And again 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So here we get 123 upon 10, and we can write in decimal form, that is 12.3 centimeter. So here the height of the parallelogram is 12.3 centimeter. Now same as it is, we can find the base and we can find also the height in another two parts. And we are going on the fourth question. Here the area of triangle is given in some questions, and in some questions we have to find the height and we have to find the base. Now let the second part again. Here the base is given, which is 15 centimeter, and the area of triangle which is 87 centimeter square. Yes, here we have to find the height. So area equals to half of base into height, and here we know that half the area is 87 and half into the base is 15 and the height is same as it is h. So now we can write that h will be equals to 87 into 2, because here the 2 is divided in right side, and when it will go in left side it will be multiply, and that will be divided by 15, because 15 is multiplied here and in left side it will be divide. Now we will cancel by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 9 ja 27. Now 9 2 ja 18 and 2 2 ja 5, 58 upon 5. So it will be in decimal form. 5 1 ja 5, again 5 1 ja 5, and 5 6 ja 30. So we can say that the height of the triangle will be 11.6 centimeter. So students, same as it is, you can find the height and the base of another part of the question. Now let me start with fifth question. Now in the fifth question, in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So let student, a parallelogram like this is given, and here this is 6 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter, and the height, if the height corresponding to the base AB, yes, is 3 centimeter. So this is A, B, C, D. So on the base AB, this is the perpendicular line segment, and the perpendicular line segment is the height, and that is 3 centimeter. Yes, in the first part we have to find the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, students, we know that is base into height. So with using this base and this height, because this CD is perpendicular on AB. So if this one is perpendicular on AB, that means AB will be base and this CD will be height. So we can say that base is AB and the height is CD. So by using these two values, 6 into 3, we get 18 centimeter square, the area of the triangle. Same as it is, student, and another perpendicular is given from C on line segment DA. Fine. So with using this C, and let this one is E, with CE perpendicular or height, DA will be the base. So by using this base and this area, we can easily find this height, because the area of parallelogram will be equal in any case. Fine. So here we will use area equals to base into height, and here the base is DA and the height is CE. So we can put the value of area and the base DA. So area is 18, that is equals to 4 into CE. Now CE will be equals to 18 upon 4, that will be 4.5 centimeter. So we can say that the height of this CE will be 4.5 centimeter, that is corresponding to the base of AD. AD is the base. Fine. Now the sixth question. Now in the sixth question, a triangle is given ABC. That is A, B, C, E, and the perpendicular D. Here this one is 9 centimeter and this is 7.5 centimeter, and this one is also 7.5 centimeter, and this AD is 6 centimeter. Fine. These values are given. So again here we have to find the area of triangle ABC. So student, here we have given that the value of base, that is 9, and the value of height on the base BC, the value of height is 6 centimeter. So here we can easily find the area, that is half of base into height. Half of base, that is 9, into the height, that is 6. So by cancelling by 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 9 3 ja 27 centimeter square. So the area of triangle is 27 centimeter square. Fine. But let we find the value of this height by using this base. Base AB, we can find the value of height CE. Fine. So again we will take area, that is equals to half of base into height. But in this case we will take the base as AB and the height as EC. Fine. So we have to find the value of EC, and the value of AB is given, and we know that the area of triangle is 27. So we can write, let 27 equals to half into AB, that is 7.5 into EC, and here EC will be equals to 27 into 2 upon 75 multiplied by 10. So here when we cancel out by 10, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Again by 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 9 ja 27. Now 2 2 ja 4 and 4 9 ja 36 upon 5, and when we divide 36 by 5 we get 7.2 centimeter. So here 7.2 centimeter is the value of EC or the value of height. So yes, we have completed our 6th question of exercise 3.2.